What's up everyone? I'm gonna show you how to make Kare Kare today, one of my favorite Filipino dishes. I'm just gonna run through the ingredients right now. This is fresh oxtail from Seafood City. I love the oxtail there, I get it there because they cut it for me in these big chunks. Bone-in beef shank here. Really nice cut of meat. I get the bone-in because it's a bit cheaper than the stuff that's already cut up. I don't really know what type of eggplants these are, but they're just the smaller kind. Bok choy, some fresh garlic. Got the Mamacita Kare Kare mix. You don't really need this. I like it. It kind of gives it the taste that I'm used to growing up, but I use this sparingly. Roasted salted peanuts. Got the annatto powder. So annatto powder gives the Kare Kare that color. It's just crushed from a seed. It doesn't give it any taste, but it's just for the aesthetic purpose. You gotta use Lily's peanut butter. You can get this at your local Asian market, just judging by how much meat I got. Probably 5 cloves. Crush that. Crush each piece. A quick once over. Set this garlic aside here. And then I'm gonna prep my beef shank. Just grab it there. Cut around the bone. Use your sharp knife. Or go ahead and cut this into big chunks. You know, like big chunks like this. This is cooking, guys. This is home cooking. I'm not an expert or anything like that. I just like to cook for my family. I like to cook for my friends. This is what I do. It's one of my passions. I just got a crock pot here. I keep it on low for now. Just put a little bit of oil in there, just like that. Coat the bottom of my garlic in there. You see some chunks in there, man. Like, this is home cooking, guys. You don't gotta be perfect. I'm gonna raise my heat up a little bit here. Let that cook slowly. You know, you don't gotta go crazy with the heat here. Drop the oxtail, drop the beef shank in there. I'm gonna put the bone in here too, why not? Just to give it that extra flavor. Now all this beef has been browned. That's kind of what I'm going for. I'm gonna go ahead and add that water in there. You know, there's no real measurement. A key thing with this type of cooking is you just gotta taste as you go. So right there, I'm gonna just raise that temperature, let that boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm gonna lower it down all the way. Minimum 4 hours to let this go once it's all tender. Or you can just check occasionally and make sure your meat is fall off the bone. Once it's fall off the bone, then you can start adding the rest of the ingredients. So while that's cooking, I want to start cutting my vegetables, start prepping that. So I like to cut it in big pieces. There. Go ahead and put that in the water, let that sit. The smaller pieces of the bok choy, I'm just gonna leave whole. I like my vegetables hearty, you know. This Kare Kare has been cooking now for about 3.5 hours. The meat is super tender. First thing that I'm gonna add is the annatto powder. Again, this doesn't add any taste or anything like that. It's purely just for coloring. While that's cooking, I just want to show you guys what I did with the peanuts, the salted peanuts. I just crushed everything, use a hammer, and go ahead and add this in. Let it cook. Make sure you taste as you go. Peanut butter. I always start off with 2 and then I taste it. Starting to smell like that bomb. Takes time, you know, but it's worth it. I think I'm gonna add some more peanut butter to it. Kind of let that cook out a bit. You want to add the ingredients, let it cook out, and then taste it again. Give it some time to come together, and then you taste, and then adjust. I'm gonna add another scoop of peanut butter in there. This broth is really flavorful. You can really taste the oxtail, and the meat is just falling off the bone right now. So that's what we're looking for. So I'm gonna just let this cook for a few more minutes, and then I'm gonna start adding my vegetables. Add my vegetables. Eggplant first, because that will cook a bit longer than the bok choy. So drop those bad boys in there. Drop. What's up everyone? Had to retake my video just because my camera died and it was late in the day, so I'm taking the footage now. Hope you guys don't mind that, but this is what the final product should look like. Look how bomb that looks. I'm about to go eat some of this right now. all that beef shank in there. Look how bomb that looks. It's very meaty. That color, you can really smell the peanuts in there. Yeah. Everyone, thanks for watching my videos. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please hit subscribe. Hit me up with a comment below. Let me know what I should cook next. Check out some more of my videos. I'll be posting it every week. So yeah, hit me up, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.